Listen to a snippet of a party conversation. Can you pick out the social phrasal verbs?
Okay, I'm listening.
Hey, you finally showed up. I was about to head out.
Sorry, I ran into traffic, but I'm here now.
Let's catch up. Totally. Grab a drink and chill out. I just hit it off with that guy over there.
No way. Are you gonna ask him out?
Maybe. We'll see how the night turns out. Welcome to Fluency Unlocked, the podcast that helps you speak English naturally and confidently. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. Today, we're talking about social phrasal verbs, from dating to hanging out, all the verbs you need to sound relaxed and natural with friends, at parties, or on dates.
And stick around until the very end. We have a fun social scene role-play challenge. It's not just a quiz, you actually practice real conversations. Plus, one easy daily trick you can start using tonight.
Sarah, that party snippet already had me counting. I caught at least 6 phrasal verbs, and I know I missed more.
Exactly. Most learners study long lists. They memorize meanings, but they never hear them in real parties, real dates, or casual hangouts. Today, we fix that. We're going to chat like we're actually at a party or on a date. We'll use 30 must-know social phrasal verbs naturally. Then we'll break every single one down so you know exactly when and how to use them. Let's keep the conversation going like normal friends first. Ready? Absolutely. So, last weekend, I decided to hang out with some old friends.
Nice. Did you catch up with everyone?
Yeah, we all showed up at the same cafe. I ran into my ex there by accident.
Awkward. How did you handle it?
I just chilled out and tried to get along. We actually hit it off again for a minute.
Wait, are you thinking of asking her out again?
No way. I don't want to go through that again. But it was funny.
I get it. I once turned up late to a party and everyone had already started messing around with karaoke.
Did you join in?
Of course. I ended up cracking up the whole night.
Sounds fun. I usually warm up to new people slowly.
Same. But once I open up, it's hard to stop talking.
Totally. Anyway, my friend tried to set me up with someone new.
Did you go out with him?
I did, but he kind of let me down. He stood me up on the second date.
Ouch. Did you get over it fast?
Yeah, I just headed out with my friends instead and had a better time.
Good choice. I hate when people flake and let you down.
See? We already slipped in 14 social phrasal verbs without even trying. But let's pause the story for a second and start explaining them properly so everyone can follow along and actually learn them.
Yes, please. I want to know them all.
All right, here we go. Number 1, hang out. Spend casual time with someone. Let's hang out this weekend. Collocation, hang out with friends, hang out at the park.
Super common.
Number 2, catch up. Talk after a long time. We need to catch up soon or reach the same level. Catch up on the gossip.
Everyone says this at reunions.
Number 3, show up. Arrive. You finally showed up. Or appear unexpectedly. He just showed up at the party.
I love that one.
Number 4, run into. Meet by chance. I ran into my old classmate yesterday.
Happens all the time in social life.
Number 5, chill out. Relax. Just chill out and have fun.
My favorite party advice.
Number 6, hit it off. Get along immediately. We really hit it off.
Perfect for dates.
Number 7, ask out. Invite on a date. Are you going to ask her out?
Direct and useful.
Number 8, turn up. Arrive. He turned up late again. Or increase energy. The party turned up after midnight.
2 fun meanings.
Number 9, mess around. Play or joke. We were just messing around. Or waste time. Stop messing around.
Light and friendly.
Number 10, crack up. Laugh hard. That joke cracked me up.
I say this all the time.
Number 11, warm up to. Start liking someone. It took me a while to warm up to him.
Shy people use this one a lot.
Number 12, Open up. Share feelings. She finally opened up to me.
Deep and real.
Number 13. Set up. Arrange a date for someone. My friend tried to set me up.
Classic matchmaker verb.
Number 14. Go out. Date someone. We've been going out for 2 months. Or leave the house. Let's go out tonight.
2 everyday uses.
Number 15. Let down. Disappoint. He really let me down.
Ouch.
Number 16. Stand up. Fail to show for a date. She stood me up.
The worst.
Number 17. Get over. Move past something. I finally got over my ex.
Healing verb.
Number 18. Head out. Leave. I think I'm going to head out soon.
Polite way to say goodbye.
Number 19. Drop by. Visit casually. Feel free to drop by anytime.
Friendly and relaxed.
Number 20. Get together. Meet as a group. Let's get together next week.
Perfect for friends.
Number 21. Check out. Look at something or someone. Check out that view. Or visit a place. We should check out the new bar.
Flirty or fun?
Number 22. Hit on. Flirt. He was totally hitting on her.
Be careful with this one.
Number 23. Fall for. Start liking romantically. I think I'm falling for him.
Romantic and sweet.
Number 24. Hook up. Meet casually or have a fling. They hooked up at the party.
Modern and direct.
Number 25. Stay over. Sleep at someone's place. Do you want to stay over?
Date night classic.
Number 26. Wind down. Relax after activity. I need to wind down after work.
Chill vibe.
Number 27. Break up. End a relationship. They broke up last month.
A tough one.
Number 28. Make up. Reconcile after a fight. They meet up the next day.
Hopeful.
Number 29. Pick up. Notice or collect romantically. He tried to pick her up at the bar.
Flirty meaning.
Number 30. Get along. Have a good relationship. We get along so well.
Positive and warm.
There they are, all 30 social phrasal verbs. But hearing them once isn't enough. Let's go back into a full simulated party so you can hear them flow naturally.
Yes, let's role play a real house party.
All right, I'll be the host. You just arrived. Ready?
Ready.
Hey, you finally showed up. I was about to head out to find you.
Sorry, I ran into my roommate on the way. We had to catch up for a minute.
No worries. Come in and chill out. Grab a drink.
Thanks. The music is great. Everyone seems to be hitting it off.
Yeah, I just saw you talking to Mia. Did you hit it off?
Maybe. I might ask her out later.
Go for it, but don't let her down.
I won't. I hate when people stand someone up.
Totally. My friend tried to set me up last week, but it didn't work out.
What happened?
He turned up late, and we didn't really click. I just warmed up to him slowly.
Been there. I once opened up too fast and got let down.
Oof. But look, the party's turning up now. Want to mess around with the playlist?
Sure, this song always cracks me up.
Same. Let's drop by the kitchen later. I made snacks.
Awesome. We should get together more often.
Definitely. I'll check out that new bar next week if you want to come.
Sounds good. I think I'm falling for this party vibe already.
Don't hook up with the snacks, though.
Too late. See, we kept it alive for a full minute using almost every verb.
Exactly. Now, let's do the same thing, but in a dating scenario.
Go for it.
Imagine first date at a cafe.
Hi, thanks for coming. I almost thought you'd stand me up.
No way. I was just running late. Let's chill out and get to know each other.
Cool. I wanted to ask you out for weeks.
Really? I'm glad you finally did. I usually warm up slowly.
Same, but I already feel like we hit it off.
Me too. Tell me more about your weekend plans.
I was thinking we could hang out again if you're free.
I love that. Just don't let me down.
Never. I don't want to break up before we even start.
Haha, good answer.
See? Natural date talk.
Now let's do friends hanging out at home.
Ready.
Hey, come on in. Just drop by anytime.
Thanks. I needed to catch up. Work has been crazy.
Same. Let's wind down with some pizza.
Perfect. We should get together like this more.
Totally. I'll set up a group chat so we can plan the next one.
Awesome. I always crack up when we mess around like this.
Me too. Don't head out too early tonight. Stay over if you want.
Might take you up on that.
See how easy and natural they feel?
I feel like I could use them tonight.
That's the goal. Let's quickly go through each verb again with collocations and common mistakes so nothing slips through. Hang out with friends, hang out at home. Mistake, don't say hang on for this.
Catch up. Catch up soon. Catch up on life.
Show up late, show up unexpectedly.
Run into someone. Run into trouble.
Chill out tonight, just chill out.
Hit it off. We hit it off right away.
Ask out, ask someone out, finally asked her out.
Turn up late. The party turned up.
Mess around, stop messing around. We were messing around.
Crack up. That cracked me up.
I cracked up laughing.
Warm up to new people. I warmed up to him.
Open up to someone. She opened up.
Set someone up. My friend set me up.
Go out with someone. Let's go out.
Let someone down. He let me down.
Stand up. Stand someone up. She stood me up.
Get over a breakup. Get over it.
Head out. I'm gonna head out.
Head out early.
Drop by anytime. Drop by later.
Get together. Let's get together. We got together.
Check out that place. Check her out.
Hit on. He was hitting on her. Stop hitting on me.
Falling for someone. I fell for him.
Hook up. They hooked up. Just hooking up.
Stay over. Want to stay over? Stay over tonight.
Wind down. Wind down after work. Time to wind down.
Break up. They broke up. Break up with someone.
Make up. Make up after a fight. They made up.
Pick up. Tried to pick her up. Pick someone up at the bar.
Get along. We get along great. Get along with everyone.
Now, here's the best part. Let's do 3 quick real-life social scenarios so you can practice in your head.
First one. You're at a party and someone new walks in.
Hey, you just showed up. Come chill out with us. I think we're going to hit it off.
Second one. Texting after a first date.
Hey, I had fun tonight. Want to go out again soon? No pressure if you want to wind down first.
Third one. Friends planning a casual weekend.
Let's get together Saturday. You can drop by my place and we'll just hang out and mess around.
Listeners, pause right now and create your own short reply for each scenario using at least 3 phrasal verbs. Say them out loud. Record yourself if you can.
Do this every single day for 1 week, and these verbs will start feeling completely natural in your social English. All right, time for the Social Scene Role Play Challenge. Yes, this one is different and way more fun. It's not just fill in the blank, it's real role play. Grab your phone or a friend if you have one.
Let's do it.
Challenge 1. You arrive late to a party. Create a 4-turn conversation with the host using at least 4 social phrasal verbs. Go.
Take 1 minute, record it, or say it out loud.
Challenge 2. You're on a first date and want to ask the person out again? Write or speak a natural 3-turn text or dialogue using 3 different phrasal verbs.
Be honest with yourself.
Challenge 3. Your friend is upset after a breakup. Comfort them in a short conversation using get over, make up, and hang out.
Challenge 4. You want to leave a party politely. Create a natural exit using head out, wind down, and drop by.
Challenge 5. On a scale of 1 to 10, how natural do these social phrasal verbs feel to you now?
And finally, which 3 social phrasal verbs will you use in your next real conversation this week? Tell us in the comments. Drop your role-play answers, recordings, or sentences below. We read every single one, and I love replying to you. If this episode helped you feel more relaxed and natural in social situations, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants better casual English. Next week, we're doing phrasal verbs for travel and adventures, even more real-life practice. You're gonna love it. And remember, don't just memorize these social phrasal verbs. Hang out with them every day. Catch up on real conversations. Show up ready to use them. You'll hit it off with English in no time.
Chill out, have fun, and keep practicing. See you next time. Bye, everyone.